What's going on, guys? We've got our SDHQ Bronco back in the shop because today we're going to be doing some suspension upgrades. We've got the Icon Vehicle Dynamics front end kit for our Bronco here and ready to go. So what we're going to be doing today is the Icon Vehicle Dynamics billet upper control arms with the Delta Joint Pro. Now this is their new Delta joint. It's got a bigger ball than its predecessor and it allows for more angularity. So that is a cool new upgrade on these arms. Can't wait to get those on. Second to that, we're going to be doing the Icon Vehicle Dynamics coilovers up here. Now, Icon doesn't offer these coilovers from them with the fin resis, but we opted to do that install here. We are doing the fin resi upgrade on a bunch of shocks here, giving you guys that no downtime option. So you can order your coilovers with the fin resis and off you go. So our truck definitely getting that. We want to keep this oil cooler for longer. The surface area is exactly what we need. Now, let's get these installed and see how it looks. And there you have it. So now it might not look like much, but having driven this truck now, you can absolutely feel that increase in dampening. The front end of this thing is dialed. Like always, we appreciate you watching and we'll see you in the next one.